Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we will learn how to select a knowledge source in your IDE. This feature helps StackSpot AI better understand the context you need and thus return more accurate responses. To select a knowledge source, we will start by clicking on the StackSpot AI extension. In the chat box, we will click on the Knowledge Sources button. We can choose knowledge sources from the Personal tab, which are self-created, the Shared tab, which are shared with us, or the Account tab, which belong to the organization we work for. Now let's click on the Personal tab and select the API knowledge source. We select the KS, and now we can send the prompt in the StackSpot AI chat. After we receive the complete response, it will show the knowledge sources used to provide context for that response, which in our case was only STK tuts, as well as the knowledge objects. That's it. Now you know how to use a knowledge source in your IDE. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.